Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about what are Boolean functions and how to implement the Boolean functions and what are canonical standard forms. First, Boolean function. Boolean function is nothing but it consists of the binary variables and which are connected by using the and or operators, and also not operator can also be used in this, and which represents the complement and also parenthesis. Example for this Boolean function is f1 is equal to x, y, z complement. This is nothing but AND operation between the variables, and f2 and f3 and f4 functions. And this can be represented, these functions can be represented by using the truth tables. And how many variables are there in this function? 3 variables. So there will be 2 power n entries, that is 8 entries. So 8 combinations we have to write here. That is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 and 0, 1, 0, like this 0 to 7. You have to write total 8 combinations. And F1, what is the F1 here? F1 is X, Y, Z complement. X is 1, Y is 1 and Z complement is nothing but complement represents 0. So 1, 1, 0. So in this, so 1, 1, 0, you have to mark the 1. That is f1 is the function and you have to represent 1, 1, 0 as the 1. Next, go to the another function x plus y complement z. So find out this x plus y complement z, and then similar way f3. F3 is x complement y complement z. That is x complement represents 0, y complement represents 0, z is 1. 0, 0, 1. F3 0, 0, 0, 1 can be represented by 1. Next, x complement yz, that is 0, 1, 1, represent 1. 0, 1, 1 combination, mark it as 1. Next, x y dash. Like that similar way you have to find out the values by using the truth tables. And next, these functions can be implemented by using the logic gates. See here f2 x plus y complement z. So y complement z is nothing but AND operation. There is a product between these two variables. Y complement is nothing but take the input and y give the input to the AND NOT operator, and you will get the y complement as the output, and give the one input as y complement and another input as z. So you will get the AND output as y complement z, and this output should be connected to the OR gate, and x input is also connected to the OR gate. You will get the result as x plus y complement z. Next one is when a Boolean expression is implemented with the logic gates. You know the each variable can be called it as literal, and this can be represented by using the gates to minimize the Boolean expressions. And to minimize the Boolean expression is nothing but minimizing the number of literals and also number of terms, so that circuit will be less equipped. By using the formula, we can minimize the Boolean functions. So here x into x complement plus y. This can be minimized as xy by using the functions and pastlets we are using here to minimize the functions. And complement of a function is nothing but interchanging of zeros for ones and ones for zeros in the value of f. You know the De Morgan's theorem, a plus b plus c whole complement is equal to, you have to get a complement, b complement into c complement, right? You have to split and you have to apply the complement for each and every variable. This can be proven by using this formula. And also generalization is a function obtained by interchanging and operators and complementing each literal. And these are some examples to minimize these functions. F1 dash. So this is the f function. You have to complement this. When you complement this one, this r will be converted into AND operation and complement for each and every variable, that is x complement y z complement whole complement into x complement y complement z whole complement. When you split again this complement, you will get AND will be replaced with or plus symbol. So you will get this result. Similar procedure, take the dual of the function and complement the each literal, and to complement this each literal, you will get the F1 complement. Canonical and standard forms is nothing but, first you have to know what are the minterms and maxterms. Minterm is nothing but standard product which can be used, and term consists of all the literals in their normal form or in their complement form. For example, x into y complement. The literals can be complemented or non-complemented form, but there should be AND operation between the literals. Those are called as product terms or min terms. With these terms you call it as standard product terms or min terms. Similar way, max terms or term. It is also called standard sum terms, which can be represented as x plus y complement, x complement plus y. So between the two literals we have to use the or operation. Those can be called it as max terms. Each max term is the complement of its corresponding min terms and vice versa. Min terms can be represented by using the small m symbol, whereas max terms can be represented by using the capital M symbol. Here you can see the difference. Min term is nothing but x complement, y complement, z complement, where the max terms will be replaced by complement and also and will be replaced by or operator. Similar way, here zeros can be represented by complement of that variable, whereas in max terms complement will be represented by 1. Suppose for example here x value is 0, y value is 0, z value is 0. These can be represented in min terms as x complement, y complement and z complement. Whereas in max terms these will be considered as x plus y plus z. Take the another example 1 1 1. These can be represented as the product term as x, y and z, where here 1 can be represented by using the complement of that variable, that is x complement. Where it is a max term you have to use the plus operator plus y complement plus z complement. Min terms can be represented by the small m, max terms can be represented by the capital M. Min terms and max terms can be expressed by using a truth table or sum of min terms for each combination of variables, and these are the min terms. These are the min terms. This can be represented by using the truth table. Suppose this is the function x complement, y complement and z. So what is this function? How can you convert this into number? X complement is 0. Y complement is 0. Z means 1. So 0, 0, 1. So for the combination 0, 0, 1, the function f1 will be 1. This term is present in the function f1. Similar way, x, y complement, z complement, that is x represents 1, y complement represents 0, z complement represents 0. So 1, 0, 0 combination, the function will be represented as 1, where this function is present in this variable is present in this function. X, y, z can be represented by all ones, 1, 1, 1. So that is nothing but 1. So what are these terms? Min terms. This is M0, M1, M2, M3 up to M7. So where are the ones? You take those values and write here. Where are the ones for M1, M4 and M7? There are ones. So take those min terms. M1 plus M4 plus M7. And this is the another example for F2 function. Min terms and max terms. The min terms that produces a 0 and this is a complement for the max terms. Any Boolean functions can be expressed as terms. Product max terms we already discussed. Product means and, that is nothing but and the operation for and operation can be performed for the literals or variables, whereas sum of min terms is nothing but you perform the or operation for the min terms. Sum of min terms, there are 2 power n minterms and how many combinations? 2 power 2n combinations of functions with n boolean variables. So here this is a function and you have to convert it into standard form. So what you will do, sum of minterms you have to convert. So what is the first step? What is the function they have given? A plus b complement c. So this is the, by seeing this expression you can tell that this is the 3 variable function. So for the first one, for the first term, what are the variables missing? B and c, right? So similar way, b complement c. So to convert it into standard form, what you have to do, you have to add the missing terms, that is b plus b complement and also c plus c complement you have to add for this function. So after that, for second, consider the second term, and what is the missing term? A plus a complement. So after performing the function, you will get the all the min term, that is standard terms, which is the combination of all the 3 variables, and this can be represented by the function by using the truth table. Similar way, product of max terms, here they have given as x plus yz, x plus xy plus x complement z. You have to convert it as a product of max terms. Similar way, you have to follow that procedure. Thank you.